heavy elements witnessed in neutron-star collision? 1 billion light-years away. Space Telescope, James Webb. Used to monitor the event and reveal insights into element formation. Violent collision between neutron stars. Expelled from their galaxy resulted in a big cataclysmic explosion. Gamma ray burst 1 meter times brighter than the Milky Way. Produced materials forming rare elements like tellurium, actinides, and lanthanides. Iodine and thorium, more common elements. Also believed to be forged in the collision. First observation of Kilonova with James Webb Telescope. Identifying elements through their infrared signatures. Neutron stars, dense and compact. Collided after being kicked out of a nearby galaxy. Neutron-star merger likely created a new black hole, while propelling neutrons and material into space. Rapid neutron capture process led to the production of heavier elements through radioactive decay. Kilonova events are rare, with only one other observed in detail. Violent neutron-star collisions, potentially responsible for creating over half of elements heavier than iron. Neutron-star collision sheds light on element origins and fills gaps in our understanding.